How to fix Apple ID profile photo not updating error on iPhone. First of all, open settings. Check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Now go back. Open Safari browser. Here go to iCloud.com. Here tap on sign in. Sign in with your Apple ID. Here tap on profile icon. Select iCloud settings. Scroll down. Tap on change Apple account photo. Tap on browse your device for a new image. Select your profile picture. Now tap on save changes. Now go back. Open settings. Now wait some seconds. Here you can see profile picture has been updated.